Hi everyone, in this short video guide I'm gonna show you how to add Polygon network to your MetaMask wallet account. So let me scroll down and find MetaMask application on my phone, and after that you can tap on Ethereum main network at the very top, and then in the pop-up window that appear you can tap on Add Network button, and after that find here in the popular section Polygon mainnet and tap on Add button. So after that you can see this new window that appear, Add Custom Network, and MetaMask doesn't verify custom networks, so only approved networks you trust. Learn more about network and security risk and scam. So you can view details about network and then tap on confirm button at the bottom right corner. Also switch to network, and as you can see you have switched to Polygon mainnet network. So got it, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up, and also you can watch this new video or this playlist about MetaMask. See you next time.